Today we're working on a 2014 Chevrolet Silverado, 121,000 miles on the clock. Air conditioning problem. Found it a little low on freon. We were blowing really warm out of the left vent. After a blend door calibration and calibrating all the doors, you can see we're blowing nice and cold. That's a little harder to see, that one. But they're all about 42, 43 degrees now. And this one over here was 70 something before. So that's just a calibration of the climate control system that allows it to function properly again.